Happy Friday, guys. So today we are going to do a fun Pinterest-inspired flower tutorial. Oh yeah, so I got these from Joann's Fabrics and they were 50% off, so what is better than that? So I'm going to be focusing on these yellow flowers and the purple flowers using Mehron Paradise paints in all of these fun shades of green and yellow and purple and blue. So let's get started using the NYX Professional Eyebrow Pencil to map everything out. And then we're going to go straight into these huge sunflower slash daisy style flowers. So I'm taking the yellow and just mapping out where the petals are going to be, and then taking a little bit of white paint to mix in with the yellow. So we need to make them look like sunflowers and not suns. So with the white paint, like I said before, I'm going to mix in a little bit of yellow to try to create some dimension. Now we're going to go in with the James Charles X Morphe palette and start shading, because they still kind of look like a sun. So I'm taking the orange shades, the reddish brownish shades in his palette, and really trying to create a 3D effect flower look. And I also added in a little bit of the green from his palette to the middle of my sunflowers. So once you kind of rough up the flower petals a little bit, you need to go back in with a darker brown color and outline all of your flower petals. And then now we get to go into the purple flowers. These were so pretty and they added so many fun color effects to this look. So I took the purple and then I did the same thing like I did with the yellow. I mixed it in with a little bit of white just to add a little bit of dimension to those flowers. Now we're going to go in with the green and add our little vines and flower stems to give it even more color and fun little effects. Now we're going to go in with the black and literally outline everything. Everywhere there's a line, put a black outline. And basically this just helps it stand out and pop whenever it is further back. Alright, so that's it. Let's go put my wig on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that was my short and sweet flower shoulder tutorial. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next Friday at 10 a.m. Bye guys.